When the technician comes to do the work, to do the inspection, the first thing that impresses me is they have a clean uniform. When they come in the house, they respect the property. Then I've also inquired about their training and know that they have gone through extensive classes in training for specifics. They are knowledgeable about what they are doing and the type of recommendations that they're going to make. We're well pleased with the way the work has been done and the difference that it's made in the comfort level of the home. They care about us as an individual. We would recommend Ray & Son Heating and Air Conditioning Company to any of our friends, anybody